What's the meaning of allotrope? Allotrope. 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 Allotrope.
An allotrope is a different form of an element that has the same chemical makeup, but different physical properties. Essentially, it means that the same atoms can arrange themselves in different ways to create unique substances with varying characteristics. For example, carbon can exist in different allotropes such as diamond, graphite, and fullerene. Each allotrope has distinct properties such as varying levels of hardness, conductivity, and color. The study of allotropes can provide insight into the behavior of materials and their potential uses in various applications.